Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our new topic, reducing pollution. In previous lecture we studied different types of pollution and how they are affecting us. But now we are going to learn how we can stop or at least reduce the pollution that we are creating. First is reducing land pollution. A great deal of land pollution on earth could be reduced by 3 R's: reduce, reuse and the recycle. It means to reduce the amount of waste that we are creating, reuse materials whenever we can, and recycle all materials that can be turned into something else. Second is reducing air pollution. The biggest action that can be taken to prevent air pollution is for governments, businesses and communities to stop relying on fossil fuels like coal for their energy and start using renewable sources. Renewable sources include solar power and wind power. We have studied that factories and industries uses coal, which produces a great amount of air pollution. So instead of coal, they should use solar and wind energy. Another way is to use public transport or walk, and we should also use bicycles rather than driving cars. Cars should be also well maintained, as some cars releases black fumes of carbon monoxide, which is a deadly gas. Third one is reducing water pollution. People should find another way to dispose waste than dumping it in waterways. Now people are relying more on oil. If they stop relying on oil as a source of energy, there will be less need for so many oil tankers to sail around the world. That will reduce the risk of oil spills. Fourth one is reducing noise pollution. Main reason for noise pollution is the use of loud machinery for household tasks. People should use quieter machines that will reduce noise pollution. Rickshaws, buses, trucks uses pressure horns. Drivers should realize that they are contributing to noise pollution. And cars should also be well maintained. People should also be more considerate of others and turn down the music and radios in their cars and homes. Musical function should not be held in open space in residential areas, as they disturb local residents. Planting trees can also help in muffling the sound. Last one is reducing visual pollution. Reducing visual pollution involves governments making rules about how things like billboards, power lines and buildings need to fit into the environment. Here is an amazing scientific fact. One of the most heavily polluted places in the world is the city of Linfen in China. It is a coal mining area and the city is polluted by coal dust that causes serious health problems for its residents. Here is a question which you have to write it in your notebook. Suggest ways of reducing the following types of pollution. Noise pollution, it can be reduced by planting trees, shut the door when using noisy machines, and follow the limits of noise level. Visual pollution can be reduced by reducing the usage of boardings and signboards, maintaining our buildings and surrounding areas neatly, and proper management of outdoor lighting should also be considered. Air pollution can be reduced by avoiding burning leaves, trash and other materials, and we should also use bicycles or public transport. Water pollution can be reduced by following: do not pour fat from cooking or any other type of fat and oil down the sink, and also do not dispose of household chemicals or cleaning agents down the sink or toilet. I hope you all understood. Thank you.